Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. I just had a taste for some salmon, guys, and we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna make some blackened salmon, but we're gonna have a honey, butter, garlic glaze sauce. Y'all ready? Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Right here we have our salmon, butter, honey. Right here I grated some garlic cloves, some blackened seasoning, red chili flakes, olive oil, soy sauce, some salt. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start by seasoning our salmon first. We're gonna add our olive oil here. Next, let's add our salt and our blackened seasoning. And guys, we're just gonna take our hand and we're just gonna get this all mixed up. All right, so now we're just gonna set this aside and we're gonna start preparing our honey garlic sauce. All right, to make our honey garlic glaze, we're just gonna melt our butter here. We're gonna add our honey. Next, we're gonna add our grated garlic, soy sauce, our red chili flakes, and I'm gonna add a teaspoon of olive oil. We're gonna get this mixed up until it's well combined. We're gonna set this aside, preheat our oven, so we can get our salmon in there. While the oven is preheating, I'm using our Paris Rhone toaster oven. I covered the baking tray with aluminum foil. This helps with the cleanup. Now I'm going to start adding our salmon. You don't want to overcrowd the pan as much as possible. Allow a little bit of room, about 1 inch or 2. What a beauty, guys. All right, so we got about 30 more seconds and we're gonna put these babies in our toaster oven so we can start cooking. We're gonna broil our salmon on 450 degrees for about 3 to 4 minutes, but guys, check it out per side. I'm gonna start off with about 4 minutes, and you wanna put this on your highest temperature. Mine is 450. So we're about 4 minutes in. I'm gonna pull these babies out and start flipping them over on the other side to allow them to finish cooking for the same amount of time. Put them back in there and do the same thing. Keep it on broil for 4 minutes. All right, so we are about another 4 minutes in. We're gonna pull this out, go over to our cutting board, and we're gonna add our honey garlic glaze. So now let's start adding our glaze. I'm gonna pop this back in the oven on broil for about 1 minute, just to let that sauce cook into it. You don't have to do that. You can go ahead and go to town right now, but I want some of that sauce to cook into it, so I'm gonna pop it back in there for about another minute, all right? And guys, and this is what we have after an additional 2 minutes under the broiler after adding our sauce. So we're gonna get these babies plated up so we can jump into quality control. Man, they look good. There you have it, guys. Blackened salmon, honey, garlic glaze. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, guys. Let's jump into quality control because it's time to eat. All right, it's time for quality control, man. Let's go ahead and get to it. We don't have no time to waste on these babies here. Y'all know salmon is one of my favorite fish. God, these babies are delicious. Listen, the flavors out of this world. I love me some blackened seasoning, especially on seafood. It just does something to seafood. So guys, want to take that salmon to the next level? This is it. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.